Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, I'm doing a really quick video, y'all. This is boxing. I picked up a Michael Kors purse and I want to share her with you. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is get rid of all this packaging. This is exactly how she came out of the box from Amazon. And so I'm going to get rid of all this packaging and come back. Okay, guys, so I saw a fellow content creator here on YouTube. Her name is Miss Percival. I saw Miss Percival with this bag, and I just saw her video like over the weekend. I think I saw her video Saturday, even though she's done it a while ago. Guys, I fell so in love with this bag. This tea rose color is perfect because I have so many clothes this actual pink, and the clothes that I have is called foxglove. If you shop at Ashley Stewart, then you will be familiar with the foxglove color. But I have so many pieces that will match this purse. I just so fell in love. And when I got it, Angel Lee said, Deidre, that's a really big girl. And I was like, oh, I hope she's not too big, Angel. And you know what? Now that I have her, she's not. So I just gave you guys a look at her 360-degree look. I, of course, always love Michael Kors hardware. On the front, on the side, everywhere. She does not have feet. You guys know I love feet. And as you can see, she can be worn crossbody because there are the clips there. So let's open her up. And all right, guys, so here is the strap, and we will get into the thick strap in a minute because I actually like that thick strap. But this is her. On the inside, she has a zip compartment on the inside, and then she also have two little pockets, slip pockets on each side there. She's really deep. This is a big purse. So I'm going to get an organizer for her because she really is a big bag. So now I'm opening up the straps. And I am going to enjoy. I cannot wait to get into this bag, guys. So here is her strap. I like that it's thick. So I might actually carry her with her straps on her because these are really nice. And normally, guys, I don't wear the straps. Y'all, I'm struggling. Ain't no editing. Hold on. All right, guys, so here she is with her straps. Isn't that pretty? And you can actually adjust her straps there. I like this, and I never wear the crossbody strap, but because she's so big, you can actually probably get an outfit in there. But like I said, I am going to put an organizer inside of her. And yeah, I love her. There's her Michael Kors logo. And the canvas on here, this is the Michael Kors, like a light khaki type of logo down here. And I absolutely love it. I have to go get some accessories for her. But I just had to share her with you guys. I thought she was so cute. This will be one of my purses for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I cannot wait to move into her, and I'm going to move into her real soon. I really like that this is hanging from it, which means I don't need a purse charm. So I love her. So anyway, guys, I will be styling this bag real soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. I cannot wait to style this bag for you. Also, I'll put the link. I only paid $114 for her on Amazon. So I will definitely have the link below in the description box so you guys can purchase her. She comes in a beautiful orange. She comes in a green, and I believe a red if I'm not mistaken. Oh, no, a rose pink, which is like a fuchsia pink. So yeah, she comes in multiple colors. Angel Lee did a video, and I'll stick it up here for you guys, and you can see the different colors that she comes in. So yeah, she comes in a variety of colors. I was fortunate enough to only pay $124 for her. Amazon has her on sale right now for $114. So I just ordered her Saturday, and already because of Amazon Prime, she has went down a whole $10-20. So if you like her, go get her. You will not be disappointed. I actually am so in love with this girl, and I think you guys will love her, especially if this is like a Speedy 35. She's that big. She's about a Speedy 35. She is a big mama. So if you like a bigger bag, this will be great. I don't like bigger bags anymore, but I'm going to rock her. So it doesn't matter. But guys, go over and save some money. If you have Amazon Prime, you have today and tomorrow to place your orders to get discounted prices, okay? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, guys, go get your mammograms and get checked out. Do your self-exams to make sure that the breasts are in good health. And let's save the tatas, and also let's show our support for those who are struggling and fighting, and for those ladies who survived. You have our support. Till the next video. Bye, guys.